In this video, I'll show you how to control the volume on your AirPods 4. So this can be done two ways and I'll show you both. So before even starting, so you don't lose your time, these AirPods don't have what the AirPods Pro have, which is a volume control on the stem itself. You cannot simply slide your finger up and down to go to change that setting, unfortunately. But if you don't want to use your phone, your iPhone, every time you want to change the volume by pressing the buttons, you can, by the way, enable Siri. Make sure that Siri is enabled on your iPhone. So in the settings of your iPhone, go down, select Apple Intelligence and Siri. And over here, make sure that Allow Siri when locked is turned on. Once you have enabled Siri on them, you can simply wear them and say, "Hey Siri, lower the volume," or "Hey Siri, make it louder." This will change the volume in your AirPods 4 without you having to touch anything. I know it would have been better to have buttons on them, but I guess this is the closest we can get from changing the volume without touching the phone. Obviously, the second way on how to change the volume on your AirPods 4 is to use the plus and minus volume buttons on your phone or on the screen. If you're on Spotify, something like that, you can change the volume as well. But otherwise, I didn't find any other methods. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and also comment down below. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.